Let me show you how we can enter and exit the safe mode on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. So if you want to go to the safe mode, first of all, we need to open the power menu. So let's say we can go to the quick settings panel and we can tap on the power button here in the upper right corner. Now we can press and hold our finger on the power off button, and then it's going to turn into the safe mode. So we're going to tap on the safe mode icon, enter your screen lock password to continue if necessary, and then just wait for the phone to restart. And there we go. As you can see, now we are indeed in the safe mode. We can unlock our phone, and you should be able to use the safe mode for as long as you want to. Also, the airplane mode is automatically enabled, so keep that in mind, and you have access to only some basic apps. Now, if you want to exit the safe mode, you can either go to notifications, and then here in notifications, you should be able to find the information that the safe mode is on, so you can tap on that to turn it off and restart your phone again, or you can just simply restart your phone. So you can go to the power menu, tap on restart, and there we go. And then once the phone restarts again, then you will be back into the normal mode. And that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.